The homie talking about she throwing a bowling party for hitting 1,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna pull up to this joint real quick. I'm already late. I guess this shit started at 11. It's like 12 o'clock. She said what's good. See what's good with her. She hit a 1K subscribers. I'm trying to hit a 1K subscribers. So we're gonna just pull up on her real quick. Downtown Houston type shit. You know the vibes. That joint right up here. For real. It's what, I don't know the name of this shit. It's something Village. Some shit. It's Billets and Bowling. Billets and Bowling or some shit like that. But look at all these steps, bro. Fuck. Damn, I don't know what the fuck going on. What's the deal? But shit, I'ma see what's good. Let me see what's going on in this motherfucking bowling alley. I don't know what's going on in this bitch. There's some little holes. I'ma always check and see. I'ma check the vibe. Gotta check the vibe. Where the fuck is her ass at? I don't even see her ass. Nigga, she not even here. Shit, that was her ass already right there. I'm tripping. I done overlooked her shit. That shit crazy. Oh, that is her ass right there. I ain't even see her for real. Shit, that shit crazy. Oh, that's her ass right here. That's her right there. That's her right there. Yo, what's the deal? What's the deal? How you doing? She got her 1K subscribers. She don't know how to act. 1K subscribers. How you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm a little, I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a little drunk. I've been drinking since 7:45. Everything.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling amazing.
You got your 1K subscribers. So what's the next? Tell the people what's next.
Okay, so we hit 1K on Thursday, and we already at 1194. We about to hit 1,200. So the next celebration gonna be at 15. What? No, I'm sorry, 5,000, 5K.
So what you gonna do for 5K followers? Subscribers, my bad. Subscribers.
I ain't gonna lie, I probably wanna go to the strip club and blow 5K for the 5K.
Going strip club?
Yeah.
So what we do all day today? What's been on the...
Today we've been partying, we went out to eat, we went to Joey Uptown, and we had some good ass food. We just cut the cake. We've been eating. Yeah, you need to go eat the cake. You need to go try the cake.
Let me look at this cake.
You sleeping on the cake, sir.
Hold on.
Is that a lemon drop? Yeah.
Who made the cake? Who made the
We
cake?
went to Whole Foods for the cake.
But tell the people, if the people don't know you, tell the people what you do.
I do everything.
Hold on. All right, tell the people what you got going.
I do everything. Don't ever underestimate Fancy. I do everything.
That's it?
That's it.
How would you introduce yourself to the people?
My name is Francesca. For all my friends and family and everybody that loves and adores me calls me Fancy. And I'm a beauty and lifestyle vlogger. And you should tap into my YouTube channel. And I do everything.
What's your YouTube channel? We don't know your YouTube channel.
My YouTube is Fancy Duran. Or you can look me up after Francesca Duran.
And what's your score on the bowling?
Huh?
What's your score on the bowling?
Oh,
You winning?
right now I'm winning.
All right.
I'm winning ass. I'm winning.
Leandra, what you do?
I'm a hairstylist.
You a hairstylist? You from here?
No.
Where you from?
I grew up in New Orleans.
You stay out here?
Yes.
What kind of hair you do?
I do natural hair.
Natural hair. What's
Curl
natural hair?
therapist. Curl therapy, HOU.
Natural hair lock.
No, like curls, curly cuts, wash and glows, all of that.
Damn, so who gonna do my locks?
A loctician? I got some locticians I can refer you to.
Oh my God.
I really do. I can hook you up.
You got any social media?
Yeah. The curl therapy, HOU.
The curl therapy, HOU.
Well, just curl therapy, not the curl therapy. But curl therapy, HOU. I have a personal, but I don't really be posting, so just follow my business page.
My name is Gigi. People who really know me know my real name. Can't be disclosed, but think about Beyonce. Think about me.
She's a model, y'all, and she's a nurse. My girl is smart as hell.
I'm a model, I'm a nurse, and I'm a creative director.
And assistant fashion designer. She does fashion, styling,
Online
all of
coming soon.
Okay, no, not fashion designer, but she is a stylist, though.
Big G, it's your turn, Big G.
See, this is what I mean when I say I don't ever have to say too much, because the people around me, they're going to say it for me.
My girl is cold. If you need
That's
somebody,
it. Mic drop.
Hold on, pass the mic to her because people ain't like.
that's crazy.
What's good with you? Yeah.
Hey, my girl, my name is Sola. Go ahead, follow me at Sold by Sola. I'm a realtor, a locator. I do Airbnb as well. If you need assistance with location, renting, buying, selling, listing, investing, Sold by Sola. SOLDBUYSOLA. Thank you.
What's your bonus score look like though?
My bonus score. What you mean, my commission or sales of the? Okay, wait. Pause.
Are we not bowling? You not bowling?
Well, you see what happened was, I'm not really good at sports, but when it comes to like money and stuff, I'm really good at it.
Okay, that's your shit.
But you know, I'm in third place.
You in third place?
Yeah.
I'm in first.
You in first?
You're not. Wait.
No, I'm kidding. I'm in third.
I'm in third. I am in third place.
How you feeling about your friend? She getting her 1K subscribers. How you feeling?
Oh, my girl.
Big shit popping, baby.
Look, this is just the beginning. My girl is cold.
10K by the end of the year, shorty.
10K, 100K. No, my girl is cold. She, honestly.
She's already at 1,200.
No, literally, my girl is already a star. Y'all are just experiencing it. Y'all are just experiencing it. But just stay tuned, because my girl can paint. My girl can rap. My girl can sing. My girl can write poetry. My girl can creative design. My girl can do it all. So
I guess they pretty lit in this hoe. They bowling and shit. So I'm here just checking out the scene, checking out the vibe. I'm trying to see what little shorty in the red talking about. You know me, red turn heads. Why you throwing gutter balls? Why we throwing gutter balls? Is that a gutter ball?
nope.
That's a gutter ball?
Nobody saw that.
That look like a gutter ball to me.
Stop talking about me.
Let's see what you do. You about to get a strike?
Yeah.
That sounds good. Let's see what you get.
And Will.
All right, we're gonna follow you. Let's see what you got going. Bro, that's a big gutter ball. What we doing? Are you playing bowling or are you playing gutter ball?
I'm just here. I'm happy to be here celebrating a friend.
That's cool.
1K.
You throwing strikes?
Not all of them.
No strike? All right, let's see what you're gonna do. We're gonna see what you're about to do right now. Hold on, what you just do? What was that? That was a strike? You throwing strikes? That's what we doing?
And I am. My fucking card is full.
Why is your car full?
White mover. I've been getting too much content. I need to delete some shit. These hoes straight choosing. That stay booming. I'm a pack move.
Alright. What you wanna say?
Hi guys.
Say what you wanna say.
Juice? Are you still doing music?
Yeah, I'm doing music. Let the people see. Oh, you getting slim again.
Right, I ain't got no booty.
You slim.
I ain't got no booty.
You slim.
My booty flat hub. It's flat hub.
I like when you were slim though.
Really? I look better.
I didn't like that.
Okay.